Hey guys, this is a video of my trap. It's really simple. What happens is that animals they just walk through this water, they walk here and they fall down here. And what happens is when they fall down there, they die, and I'll show you the trap right here. So that's the trap. They fall down here. And they usually, most of the time they die. Oh my gosh, I have a lot of stuff down there. Holy crap. Most of the time they die, but they, oh my gosh, see, you get, every time something dies, you get stuff. 29 bone, that was just like 1 hour. So they fall, I think I hear one coming down. But they get like trapped right there and they die. Oh, there's a hole right there. Holy crap. Let me fix that. Well, as you can see, you get a lot of crap from this. And then, so yeah, they get stuck right there and they just die. I saw it on YouTube. So, and then I just come down here and I forgot what my hole was. That's what I was looking around. It's behind it. It's right there. So make sure I have one monster spawn over there because I found a dungeon. Yeah, so yeah, that's my trap. Thank you for watching.